life. My name is Irfan Faiz. I am master in maths and teaching subject is mathematics, and here I am teaching in from grade 9 to grade 12 in Pakistan Islamia Higher Secondary School, Fujairah. This is my introduction. Now we are studying class 9 and class 9 maths. This is the book of class 9 maths. That's chapter number 4, whose name is Algebraic Expression and Algebraic Formulas, and this book's published by Karwan Book House, Lahore. Polynomial, we should have to the knowledge about the polynomial, that what is polynomial. Anybody can give me the answer that what is polynomial? Think. Good. Okay, I explain. Polynomial equation is an equation that has multiple terms. Multiple terms mean more than one terms. Multiple terms made up of numbers, which is made up of numbers and variables. Numbers and variables. That multiple, again I will repeat that polynomial equation is an equation that has multiple terms, mean more than one terms, made up of numbers, which made up of numbers and variables. Numbers mean 1, 2, 3, 4. These are called numbers, and variables we are using that x, y or z are used as a variables. Do you know what is the difference between the numbers and the variables? Numbers are the constant. Numbers are the constant, and variables are those values. Variables are those numbers which change its value. For example, like I can give you the one number, variables and the constant. Numbers are using as a constant. Numbers are using as a constant, and variables are using that whose values varies that. With one example, I can give you like the number 1, 2, 3. All over the world, what do you think? If you will write 2, so everyone read that this is 2. Everyone will read that 2. 2 means there are 2 things. 3 means there are 3 things. So these are constant. When you will write 3, everyone think about that these are the 3 items, that you have the 3 items. But variables whose value change. For example, if the price of this laptop is here in UAE 1000, price of laptop in UAE is that 1000, but is the price of laptop in Pakistan is also 1000 rupees? No. So its price will be changed. So that's why we are thinking about such the variable values that change is called variable, and we don't know what is that because we cannot say that is a computer, laptop or duster or mobile. So we thinking assume a number, that we assume a number, the variable is a x. This is an example. This is a general polynomial. P mean for polynomial. Polynomial in the bracket you can see that this is x. It means that this polynomial has a variable only x. Polynomial of x is equal to an and x raised power n, or x exponent n. N which is described with the red color. This n is the exponent, and an minus 1 x exponent n minus 1, an minus 2 x exponent n minus 2, up to so on, decreasing its order a1x and a0. Right? According to definitions, the multiple terms, there are multiple terms 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on, n terms, right, which made up of numbers. Numbers mean the coefficients. Number mean coefficients. Here numbers describe an minus 1, an minus 2, a1, ar, a0 describes the numbers, and variable we are using x. Right? Now, and the power of n, that there is 2 conditions. First condition is that polynomial equations made up of numbers and variables, but one more thing you have to be careful about that one, the power n. This power n which described by red color n, that prominent, this power n or x variable power n must be a non-negative integers. Non-negative integers mean here never come minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. If the minus 1, minus 2 or minus 4 will become, then it is not a polynomial, then it will become expression. It will become the expression. That is the main difference of the polynomials and an expression. Polynomials, all the variables has non-negative integers, right? If the power of the variable x is a negative integer, then it is not a polynomial, it is an expression, right? Good. So the next, as I told you before, there are different types of polynomial. The degree of the polynomial of equation is 1. Degree means the maximum power, the highest power of the polynomial is called degree. Like here, what is the degree of this polynomial? The highest power is n, because n minus 1, that is less than n. It assume that if n is 10, then here 10 minus 1, 9, here 10 minus 2, 8. The highest power of the variable is called degree. So if the degree of the polynomial equation is 1, is called linear polynomial or linear equation. Linear polynomial or linear equation. For example, this is a general linear equation. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. But I didn't write that p of x. You cannot write p of x. Do you know why? Because you can see that when in this polynomial only the variable arise only x. But here x and y both are the variables. And what is a, b and c? A and b are called coefficient of x, and here c is called constant. What is the difference between the coefficient of x and the constant? If the constant is multiplied with the variable, then we are called coefficient. If the constant number is without variable, then it is called constant. So this is linear equation. This is called linear equation. Why we are saying equation? Because this is the equal sign arise. When the equal sign will arise, so we will say that one equal equation. That is a linear equation. And other type, there is a one other type, and the very famous type which we are using, that one, that is polynomial. So what is that? This polynomial, we will use that one. If the degree of the polynomial is 2, degree of polynomial of the 2 means the highest power of the polynomial is 2, is called second degree polynomial or the quadratic equation. What is called? Quadratic equations. And the general quadratic equation, for example, the general quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here there are two variables, and here how many variables are arises here? Here is only one variable, and that variable is x. Right? Okay, go to the next. Assalamu alaikum students. Today our lecture of exercise 4.1 from book 9th class. This book. Its first question of exercise is that identify whether the following algebraic expressions are polynomials. We have to identify the given question terms or the expression or the polynomial. First of all, to solve the question, we should have to find out the difference or definition of expression and polynomial. Right? Polynomial, if the degree of the variable is a positive integer, then it is called polynomial. If not positive integer, then it is called expression. I can give you with one example, like 3x square plus 5x and plus 6. What is the degree of this polynomial? The degree of this polynomial, degree means maximum power, highest power of the variable. Degree of this polynomial is equal to 2. Here it's degree power 2, here it's power 1, here it's power 0. But the degree is 2. But the maximum power is 2, and also all the variables have the power a positive integer. But no variable has the negative integer, so such type of the equation or algebraic expression is called the polynomial of degree 2. So when it was not a polynomial, if it is in the form of like this, 3x square plus 5x root plus 6. Now its power is not a positive integer. This variable has the power is equal to 1 over 2, and 1 over 2 does not belong to integers. Does not belong to integers. So this is not a polynomial. When it is not polynomial, then it is called expression. It is called expression. What is expression? Expression is a combination. Expression is the combination of the variables and the constant is called expression. So when going more forward, then expression, the types of expression is also, you can say that is a type of expression or the polynomial if the degree of the variable is a positive integer. Each variable here, because you can also see that one here degree is positive 2, but one element here is also degree is 0, same, but one element or the one variable of this term is having the power 1 over 2. That's why this is not a polynomial, so this is a expression. What is this? Expression. Hope you understand the difference between the expression and the polynomial. What is polynomial? If the degree, if the power of the every or each variable has a positive integer, because its degree is 2, but if we will see that one, its exponent power is positive integer 2, it's 1, there is no, it's also positive integer if its power is equal to 0, because 0 is neither negative nor positive, right? So each variable has the positive integer, but no variable has the rational number or negative integer. So that's why this is polynomial and it is not a polynomial, this is an expression. One more example, so you will give me reply of that one. 3x square plus 5, we can write like that, 5 over x plus 6. What is this? Degree of the polynomial, you will check that one. Is it expression or polynomial? You can say this is polynomial or degree. Sorry, polynomial or expression. Good, this is an also expression. Why? Because here it's showing that power is equal to 1. 1 is the positive integer, but when we will simplify one more step, so it will become 3x square plus 5, it's x raised power minus 1. When we simplify this one, so plus 6, and this variable has the power negative integers. That's why this is also an expression. Hope you understand the difference between the expression and polynomial. So our question number 1 is also, we have to identify the expression and the polynomial. So we will come on the next question. Okay, this is question number 1 of our exercise 4.1. There are the 4 parts and we have to find out the polynomials. First part. According to the first part, is it polynomial or expression? What do you say? If it is not polynomial, then definitely it is an expression. So is it polynomial or expression? What do you say? This is not polynomial. Good. Why this is not polynomial? Because here you can see that one x in the denominator. So when we will shift into the numerator, it will be same. It will, simplification of the next step of this equation will become like that, 3x square plus x raised power minus 1 and minus 5. Here the variable has power negative 1. So according to definition, if the any variable has the power negative integer, it is not polynomial. According to definition of the polynomial, each variable has the exponent or power is a non-negative integers. Non-negative integers. Here is one negative integer. That's why it is not polynomial. So I am writing here not polynomial. If it is not polynomial, then it is an expression. So come to this one. Second part. See it. Is it polynomial or not? Good. Yes. Hasanullah. You are right. And one girl student is also saying the right answer. That was Samana is saying right answer. Good beta. So why it is a not polynomial? Because here you can see that one, this variable has power, finally power is a positive but not integers. Positive but not integer. How? Like this. See here, 3. The next step, I am writing its next step, you will not be confused. So first making like arrow to the next step, 3x cube minus 4x square. So when we will simplify, its power will be add, its power 1 and its power half. So it will become x raised power 3 over 2 and plus 3. It is not integers, it's exponent. This exponent is not integer, it is a rational number, so that's why it is also a not polynomial. So it is also a not polynomial. Hope you understand. Come to this third part. Yes, in third part, what is the answer of this? Is it polynomial or not? Yes, please. Good student is giving the answer. I am listening. Some answers are absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. So this is polynomial. Why? Because you can see that one, its exponent 2, its exponent 1, but both has the positive integer. Okay, the question is that this is having root 2. Okay, this root 2 is a integer, not integer, sorry, it is a rational number. But the condition applied, the variable, condition applied on the variable, it will not touch the constant. It will not touch the constant. Here, the variable have the power 1 over 2 or a rational number. That's why it's not polynomial. Here, x is not having a power like that one. X is having power 1 and x is having power 2. So this is a polynomial. This is polynomial. Polynomial, right? What about this? Yeah, this is also not polynomial. Why? Because like here, x is in the denominator, so here x is also in denominator. X is also in denominator, so it is also not polynomial. Is it possible? I can cancel like this and this. Is it possible? No, it's wrong, out of rule. Good. Why it's out of rule? Because if there is a sign -1, that's why it is also not polynomial. I want to change a little bit one, and then after that I want to ask the question. If I will change this question like that, 3x square over 2x plus 8. Now what's about this? This is your target, challenge. Challenge, not challenge, but simple. Is it polynomial? So you will give me the answer in your comments, or you will give me the answer, also put that in your Google class, because this question is not in your book. This question created by myself. So you will give me the answer, is it polynomial or not polynomial, right? This is your activity or your challenge, and you will give me the answer of this question, right? And after that I will explain that if you will not able to find out its answer. If it is a polynomial, then why it's polynomial? If it is not a polynomial, then why it's not a polynomial? I also want a reason. Okay? Good. Now we have to come to the next question of this exercise. Okay, student, that is question number 2 of exercise 4.1, and it is also same like objective type question. And what is asking about in this question? In this question, the statement is asking about, is this expression is rational or irrational? Is this expression is rational or irrational? One thing is very clear. First of all, it means that is any one of them is polynomial or not, which we already studied in question number 1. Not polynomial. Good. This is also not polynomial. It's also not polynomial. It's also not polynomial, and it's also not polynomial. Why they are not polynomial? Because here x is in denominator and power is also here. X power is non-negative integers, and also power is a rational number. Non-negative but rational numbers, but not integers. Its power is also a negative integers. After simplification here, it's simple way to keep in your mind. If x is coming in the denominator, if x is coming in denominator, and after simplification its power will become negative, so it is not a polynomial. So here any one of them is not a polynomial. All are expression. Now expression, there are two types of expression. One is rational and other is irrational, according to the statement of this question. So which is rational and which is irrational? The first one is which type of expression? This is irrational. This is irrational. Why it's irrational? The reason is that this search for, or this power, or this root, square root. Because square root of a number of a variable other than perfect square, it will make it irrational. Here you can see that one x power has a root, and here x power is also having square root, so that is an irrational. What's about this? Is this irrational or rational? Yes. Isaac, give me the answer. Good. This is a rational. Why it's rational? Because its power is 3, its power is 2. Now what's your question? This 3 root is having the square root sign, and 3 is also not a perfect square. Your question is right, but according to the statement, I told you, when this search form or square root will be applied on a x, then it is irrational like here, but there is no x with it. So there is no x within this 3 root, so that's why this is a rational. This is a rational expression. Now third part, what's about this? Good. This is a rational. This is a rational expression. Why this is rational expression? Because there is no search form of any term. That's why it's a rational expression. And what about this? Is this rational or irrational? This is also irrational because they both have the same type. So it is also irrational. And that is rational. After this, question number 2 complete. Question number 1 and question number 2 both are objective type but very conceptual. Both are objective type but very conceptual. Your first lecture is complete. So in second lecture we will solve its question number 3 and also try our best in 4, right? But here I did not give you any challenge to solve the question, so you will give me the answer of that one. What is the question? We make the question like that. X cube minus 2x square plus 3 over 2 root minus x. Which type of this expression? First, it is not a polynomial because x is coming in the denominator. So which type of this polynomial expression? Is it rational or irrational? This is your home task or activity task, and you will solve and give me the answer in the comment, and also show me your work in Google Class, right? Good.